Hello, my name's Harrison and I work in the CisSandbox. Come visit us on the second floor of Smith behind the trading room if you have any further questions about this video, want help on your CS or IT course, or if you just want to check out virtual reality and any of the other cool stuff we have going on. Today we're going to be using the VLOOKUP and the HLOOKUP functions in Excel. This function will search for a value within a table and return the information corresponding to that value within the range. We're going to open up Excel and use this very simple table that has information about a business's products. We've got products A through D with the shelf they're on, the price, and how much inventory the business has of it. If we wanted to highlight the information of a single product over here, because theoretically this business could have hundreds of products and the info might not be easy to access, we type in equals VLOOKUP, open paren, cell I2, comma, B3 to E6 for the table range, comma, and we're going to search for the information in column 2, comma, we need the value of I2 to be an exact match because we need it to be exactly product A, not close to product A, so we type false and close paren. You can see here it returned the right shelf number according to the table. Now we can rinse and repeat for price. Type in equals VLOOKUP, open paren, I2, comma, B2 to E6, comma, change this to column 3 as we are now looking for price, comma, false once again. Do it once more for inventory, equals VLOOKUP, open paren, I2, comma, B3 to E6, comma, now column 4, comma, now you could just write false, or since this is a program, zeros are for false and ones are for true, so you could just type in 0 and get the same result, close paren, and there's something wrong here. Let's just check. I think I might have typed in the wrong cell number. Yep, it's supposed to be I2, not I9, and now we should be good. Now for the how expensive column, if we look up the price in our table down here with VLOOKUP and false for the final value, it isn't going to work because there is no 49 in the table. There is a quick fix if we change the last thing we enter in VLOOKUP to true. This will only work if the table ranges are ascending because VLOOKUP will check for the last thing it hits while running up to the lookup value. We type in equals VLOOKUP, open paren, I4 since we are checking for the product's price, comma, range B9 to C11 for our table array, comma, return the corresponding value in column 2, comma, type in true, and we return our moderate price range from $40 to $80. Now what's really nice about VLOOKUP is if you use the cell references, typing in the cell number for the lookup value, not just the lookup value itself, you can change that lookup value in that cell and see all the corresponding information. We change to product B and see its info, product C, and product D. VLOOKUP will only work when looking for corresponding values in columns. If you need it in rows, you do the same thing, but use HLOOKUP. We'll just quickly make a horizontal table down here and try to find products as price with equals HLOOKUP. We type equals HLOOKUP, open paren in quotes, as it's a string value, table array C14 to D15, comma, row 2, comma, false, as we need exactly A, and we get the correct value. Do it again for B, and we get the correct value once again for product B. That'll do it for this video. If you have any further questions, be sure to visit the CisSandbox, and thank you for watching.